Hey veggie friends, Ria here. Today we're proving you don't need a swimming pool of olive oil to get caramelized, crunchy edges. We're roasting 3 ways: veggie broth bash, citrus splash, and tahini tango. Here's a little spoiler. These veggies turn out so good, your oven might start thinking it's a 5-star chef. Now let's give this produce the glow-up it deserves. To begin with, chop those hearty veggies into bite-sized bits. Picture this: carrots, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, basically the Avengers of roasting. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit so they feel the burn. Method 1. Broth bash. Toss 2 cups veggies with 3 tablespoons thick vegetable broth, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. The broth steams inside while the surface goes crispy. 10 minutes in, shake the pan like you're stirring love into a family recipe. Next method, citrus splash. This one's my personal favorite. Whisk the juice of 1 orange and half a lemon with a teaspoon of maple syrup and some cracked pepper. Pour it over the veggies and roast for 20 to 25 minutes. The natural sugars caramelize, the citrus brightens everything up, and suddenly your broccoli thinks it's on a tropical vacation. Next, tahini tango. For this method, stir together 1 tablespoon of tahini, 1 tablespoon of water, a splash of soy sauce, and a dash of cumin until it's silky and smooth. Coat those veggies. Result? Nutty bites with 0 grease but maximum flavor punch. Check for fork-tender insides and bronzed edges, about 25 minutes total, depending on their personal growth journey. Serve hot, cold, or straight off the tray. And remember, you can roast veggies without oil or judgment, just don't let them steal all the credit.